Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. So in this video tutorial, we are going to learn about how we can put lines on Microsoft Word. So I'm going to show you few methods that you can use and put your desired line on Microsoft Word. So let's start with the video. And at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here I'm on my Microsoft Word. So first option, you can use that hyphen, just enter 3 time hyphen, then enter the your enter key, hit the enter key, then this line will be inside. Okay, you can increase decrease from here. Okay, you need to just change that margin. Okay, like, and it will be increase or decrease. Next you can use that. Okay, you can use asterisk. Okay, what you need to do, just type the enter the 3 time asterisk and hit the enter, then this line will be okay insert. Or you can this use that equal sign 3 time and enter the button, then this double line will be insert. Okay, okay, and there is a simple way I will show you. Go to the insert, go to the draw. Okay, so go to the insert and here you can see the option called shapes. So go to the shapes and here you can see that line option. So we have that simple line and this is the line with that arrows. Okay, so you can use anyone. Okay, I just use this one. Now you need to hit the enter key and hold it. Okay, sorry, shift key and hold it. You have to enter the shift key and hold it, then you need to drag this line. Okay, you can drag line like this. Okay, and here from shape outline you can change that color of this line like this. You can choose any color, and here you can change that line width. Okay, and here the more option, you can change that line style also. Here you can see more lines options, you can see. Okay, if you have end arrows, you can choose this from here, being arrows also. And here the being arrows type, here the compound type. Okay, and okay, okay, so that is how you can insert the line on Microsoft Word. Okay, when you try to increase or decrease that line size, you need to hit the shift key, hold it, and then you can decrease the line or increase the line size. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.